Stop.
Go.
Hannah already opened it.
How in the world do you
Flip it open like this. Flip that little thing up.
Aww. I don't know how.
Come here.
What is it? A joker?
I'm here. No. Here, I'm gonna flip it
I'm
open.
scared.
Give a box.
What's in it? Just
Come here. Give you a surprise.
Tell
Every
me.
time you open it, it's something different. She already opened it upstairs. Here.
Just flip it up, Maya, and open it.
Flip it up. Come here.
Quit being a scary cat.
What is it?
Flip
What?
it.
I'm scared.
Why?
Is it something scary?
No, why would I do that to you? No, the little latch. See this latch? Flip
Pick
it
it
up.
up. Is it scary?
You told me stop lying.
Why are you crying?
It's not scary, Maya.
Why are you crying?
Is it scary?
Yeah.
That's from Korea. You're sweating. She's all sweating.
Why are you crying? Huh?
We got it from Korea. Here, I'll put it away.
Go give it to Mackenzie. I'll show Mackenzie.
Oh, but it's okay to show Mackenzie, but not you? I'm going to tell Mackenzie you cried.
Okay, now I'm not scared of it. It's going to give me nightmares, but I'm not scared. Open it, Hannah. Open it. No. Mommy, you.
No, I'm not scared of it.
Hannah, you do it.
Hannah opened it in the bathroom. She was like, she didn't do nothing.
Then why is it in English right there?
I don't know about it in Korea, though.
Give you a surprise.
Why are you running away?
Ah!